ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. And drinks ಎಲ್ಲ next vibe ಇದೆ.
Come to visit Gasi. It's amazing, amazing place, and it's Instagram worthy. It's all pink, and I'm sure you're gonna get amazing pictures. The aesthetics are on point.
So food ಮಾತ್ರ next level ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ cocktails ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
This is a place for a date. I mean, not just your boyfriend, but if you want to get mom or your sister, this place, guys.
Bangalore, a refreshing breeze of culinary elegance has just swept into Jayanagar 7th block. Right near the calm waters of Yediur Lake, Gasi has opened its doors, a premium, pure vegetarian restaurant that blends bold flavors with sophistication and comfort with class. It's not just a new restaurant. It's an experience thoughtfully crafted for those who believe vegetarian dining deserves its moment of luxury. The grand launch event was a true celebration. As the sun dipped and the lights turned golden, Gasi welcomed its first guests into a space that radiated warmth and style. The interiors were tastefully done, ambient lighting, plush seating, earthy tones, and an aesthetic that balanced modernity with subtle Indian touches. Every corner of Gasi whispered elegance, while the energy in the room made it feel alive and welcoming. Food, of course, was the heart of the evening. Guests were treated to a curated menu featuring a variety of vegetarian dishes, each one plated with precision and bursting with flavor. From classic Indian favorites reimagined in contemporary ways to international vegetarian creations made with local freshness, every dish was a delightful surprise. The attention to detail, the presentation, and the balance of textures and tastes had food lovers talking well into the night. So whether you're a lifelong vegetarian or just someone in search of clean, comforting, and beautifully made food, Gasi is calling.
Hi, Elrigu Namaskara. I'm Sneha. I am born and brought up in Bangalore. I am a techie by profession. I am into software industry. So, food and beverage industry has been my passion for quite some time now. Hence the project Gasi.
What about Gasi? Meaning of Gasi?
Gasi is an acronym for Garden City. All of us know that Bangalore is called as Garden City. Hence the name.
Tell about what is the special of Gasi? Dishes.
Okay. We are a pure veg restaurant located in South Bangalore. To be more precise, we are located in Jayanagar 7th block. To talk about the dishes, right? We have multi-cuisine. So we have Indian, continental, Pan-Asian, and we have tried to bring flavors of we have tried to add mock meat so that it would not disappoint non-vegetarians as well. Infused flavors of Chettinad, Kannur, and Mangalore style masalas. Yeah, that's about
How many
the food.
varieties?
We have multiple varieties, right? I would want all of you to taste post this. So we have multiple varieties. So as I told you, it's a fusion which is bought on a single platter or a table.
It is first branch or
Yes, this is the first branch that we have opened.
what are the future plans?
I'll keep all of you posted definitely. For now, yes, we have started. We are wanting people to come here, experience the ambience. Definitely, we would want to expand in near future. So I'll keep all of you updated about it.
What do you like?
To be very precise about the location, we are located in Jayanagar 7th block, very near to Yediur Lake. This is in South Bangalore. So I would wholeheartedly welcome all of you to come down and experience the different ambience and warmth of our restaurant.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ರಘುನಾಥ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಟು ಜೆನ್ಯುನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. It's very yummy food. It's a fusion vegetarian food. Some very creative mocktails. This is in Jayanagar 7th block. So ellaru kandita illi banni and you should try and be a part of this happiness. I mean good food. Thank you.
I head this, operations of Gasi. Here the cuisine is totally different. It says pure veg, but nothing pure veg like what you get usually everywhere here. Here we have soup from Sri Lanka. We have Tamka Park that is from Thailand. We have different cuisines here. This is what we do. Our desserts are different. Our main courses are different. Our food is different. So when you come here, you will really have an experience. It's not that regular places where you go, you get your soups or an Indian food and things like that. Even our Indian food, it's made like a fusion. Like if people are looking for some good starters, people come here, they get amuse in Golgappe. So everything from the time you enter till you leave, you will have an experience. That's it.
Hi sir, good evening everyone. I'm Chef Bala. I'm in working Karsi restaurant. We are the new branded. We have the multi-cuisine restaurant. We have the different types of cuisine. We have Pan-Asian, continental, European food, and we have the South Indian food and Indian tandoor and wonderful pastries. Everything we have. And one more thing, you can must try our signature dish. We have all the chef are our five-star hotel chefs. So we make everything nice and nice garnish and presentation for everyone. Please come again and please check. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Kalpana, and I've just received an invitation to come to visit Gasi. It's amazing, amazing place, and it's Instagram worthy. It's all pink, and I'm sure you're gonna get amazing pictures. The food is amazing, and it's all vegetarian food that you will get if you are a vegetarian person. So you have lots of option to eat, and they have amazing muffins on the house too.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಂದರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಯನ್ಸು, ಪಿಂಕ್ ಥೀಮು ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಫುಡ್ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ನು, ಥಾಯ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಝಿನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ವೈಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಫುಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಕ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Lithia, and I'm here at Garci, and I just got to know that it's called Garden City. I love the ambience here. I mean, the aesthetics are on point. Other than that, I personally feel that this is a perfect place for a date night. I mean, not just with your boyfriend, but if you want to get your mom, your sister, this is the place, guys. I mean, the aesthetics here, the vibe here is super peaceful. And the best part about this is that the food is top notch. It's vegetarian, and I kind of tried all kinds of food. I'm very picky with my dishes that I pick. I tried the maybe you could call it like honey chili potato. I'm from Delhi, and I couldn't find the best place. And over here, I kind of found it. So that's my favorite of all. So yeah, that's